What if I told you that a single, tiny choice you made this morning is quietly draining your future wealth? It's not a massive car loan, a luxury vacation, or a high-interest credit card. It costs exactly $10. But over a lifetime, this one microscopic habit compounds into a massive financial black hole that keeps millions of people stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Today, we are breaking down exactly what this $10 mistake is, how it secretly robs you, and the simple shift that turns that $10 into a small fortune. The human brain is terrible at calculating small, repeating expenses. We look at a $10 daily convenience, whether it's a gourmet coffee, an unused streaming subscription, a daily energy drink, or ordering delivery instead of driving 5 minutes to pick it up, and we think, it's just $10. It's not going to make or break my rent. And you're right. In isolation, $10 means nothing. But wealth isn't built or destroyed by single events. It's built or destroyed by habits. When $10 becomes a daily, thoughtless ritual, it mutates. Let's do some quick, brutal math. $10 a day is $300 a month. Over a year, that's $3,600 down the drain. Still, $3,600 won't buy you a house. But here is the real mistake: opportunity cost. When you spend $10 on a fleeting convenience, you aren't just losing $10 today. You are losing every single dollar that $10 could have earned for you in the future. If you took that exact same $300 a month and tucked it into a basic index fund tracking the broader market, which historically averages around a 10% annual return, look what happens. In 10 years, you don't have $36,000. You have over $60,000. In 20 years, that climbs to over $225,000. And over a 30-year working career, that single daily $10 habit is worth over $680,000. This is what financial experts call a microbleed. Your finances don't usually collapse from a massive single blow. They bleed out through a dozen tiny scratches. The real danger here isn't even the money itself, it's the mindset. Every time you mindlessly spend $10 on something that brings you zero long-term value, you are training your brain to prioritize instant comfort over future freedom. You are telling yourself